Simple conversation between two colleagues on the first day in the office.
Hi. It is Anthony, right? Yes. I am Anthony. You must be Tom. You have recently joined the company, right? Yes, indeed. The company manager, Mr. Albert Pinto, told me that you would be my mentor for the first 6 months of training. Yes, you are right. I will be training you on the digital marketing. Do you have any prior experience with this? I have a basic knowledge of how SEO work and have done content writing for several firms. I am looking forward to learning the role of digital marketing specialist. Awesome. I have been working for 15 years in this domain, so I should be able to guide you well. Thank you so much, Anthony. It is my first day only here. Are there any formalities I have to complete? I think you should be fine. I hope you know where the cafeteria is? No, I don't know. Never mind. I will show you and introduce you to other colleagues. Thank you so much, Anthony. Where do you currently live? I live near Hilling Road in Wembley. I moved here 2 days ago. Oh! It is very close to the company. Yes. I am tired of traveling where I was before. That's why I chose the apartment near the company. Do you have any questions? Ask away. I haven't received my employee ID yet. It takes a few days. You can see Sarah sitting over there. She joined a couple of days back and still hasn't received her ID. You can talk to her and both can get it done from the facilities department. Sounds good. What is the working environment like here? Well, our supervisor, Mr. Sam T. Souza, is all cool as long as the work is going good, but he is very strict when the work is not done properly. And our other colleagues work together like a family. That is great. Do we also have to come on Saturday? Yes. We have to come on every Saturday. We get holiday only on Sunday in a week. Could you please give me an idea of the modules I will cover? Sure. There will be 7 modules during the training. SEO, web analytics, email marketing, SMM, content marketing, and mobile marketing. Great! I hope to learn a lot. Yes.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks.